In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Outlook emails to your PC or laptop by downloading them and saving them as either an MSG or EML file. We'll walk through this process together so you can be sure to follow along step by step. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. You can simply type in Microsoft Outlook in your search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of your screen, making it easy to find. After that, you'll arrive at the Sign In page. Here, you'll need to enter your login details. This means typing in your email address and your password linked to your Microsoft account. Once you have that all set, go ahead and click Next. You'll then be navigated to your Outlook dashboard. Now that you're in, you're ready to start selecting the emails you'd like to export. Head over to your inbox by selecting it from the menu. Take a moment to look through your emails and decide which one you want to export. It could be an important email you want to back up, or simply one you need access to offline. Here's a key point worth noting. While the older versions of Outlook offered an option to export emails directly to a PST file, the new interface doesn't support this. Instead, you'll be working with MSG and EML files, which serve as excellent alternatives for saving individual emails. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Click on the email you wish to export. As you look towards the top right corner of this email, you'll notice an icon with 3 dots, resembling an ellipsis. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. Take your time to find and select the download option from this menu. Now comes the choice. You need to decide whether you'd like to save your email as an MSG file or an EML file. MSG files are great if you're staying within the Microsoft environment, as they can easily be re-imported into Outlook. EML files are more universal and can be opened in a variety of email clients, making them a versatile option if you anticipate using different platforms. Once you've made your decision, complete the download process by following the prompts for saving the file to your desired location on your PC or laptop. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Outlook email. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Keep exploring more features Outlook has to offer and continue to manage your emails effectively. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. Until next time, happy emailing.